So we are cut the grass first because the place is a mess, man. Make kind of, you know, slacken up. Yeah, him say Jamaican way.
South St. Elizabeth.
You hear that, people? South St. Elizabeth. Man, I advertise in Parish.
Yeah, South St. Elizabeth.
Go and visit South St. Elizabeth, guys. You hear that?
Melon Farm.
Skellion Farm.
And the one we can't talk about.
Baby, you don't live anywhere apart from Senti?
Nope.
Why?
So,
So everything there Senti?
me think so.
Is Senti the best place?
Yeah. St. Elizabeth. The bless.
You put on my gloves, guys. I help you.
Melon grow like a sun.
Mama, you alright? Nice one.
Grow like a leaf.
You know, you say grow like leaf people. That you love.
Yes.
That you love a farmer.
Yes, from South St. Elizabeth.
You don't see him? You don't know him?
You don't know me?
No, one. This one I want Gem. Me hide that one. I don't know you.
You don't want to know
This
me.
a Gem just come out of the vault. So I don't know.
Just come from Jamaica.
Inside? And get little walk
next
now.
month.
You hear that? You might go back next month.
We do the other garden.
See it
The
there?
garden out there.
You have a big garden out there.
Yeah.
What you plant on there?
Melon and ginger.
You hear that?
Scallion and thyme. And cucumber.
Cucumber.
Loads.
And then big garden little.
Big, everything big. You know the little things.
What a piece of advertisement.
Not the little things.
So what, Manchester no better than Senti?
No Parish better than St.
Me think Manchester better.
I think.
You don't hear
We
this?
don't have no good guy out there. I want to feel away.
Ah,
What the fuck? Manchester.
we have good food.
Manchester.
After you smoke ginger.
Yeah, you don't have food all over.
What? After you smoke ginger, turn up there then, no?
Last time I know it.
Stand up after you smoke at the big old guy there. You stand up and not eat nothing. Look at these people.
Melon.
No, we don't have melon. We have whole of stuff though. We have orange, we have banana, we have
That's the one of them.
cane, we have cocoa, we'll have whole of cocoa.
The thing I don't give up when
We have whole of food. We don't have much food. I just Kellyan don't have. Can yam Kellyan?
it's here around every food.
A joke. St.Bess, man. St. is one of them blessed parish. They are farmer parish. Them sell cabbage as well, and pepper, and cucumber, and melon, and cassava. You do cassava down there? Look how the man done the thing. Look there. I really are they? This no can't tell us. I really are they? No, we not do bami. People, instead we not do bami, and him have the good bami. And everybody knows that Senti have the good bami, and fish and all of them something there. Senti, I think Senti was the first parish them ever did Eva, you know, habit. Then go live. Yeah, but I think Senti was the first one, and then starts. Yeah, stretch out. Cent. These guys may go put in the blue bin here, so, and they may go use this for break down into compost as well. So, may go pack them up. Me not have much grass. So I'm going to use these to help me with the greens in the garden, right? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try and cut these trees as well. Don't know. Oh, shit, the dumpling. Don't know if we can. We don't know where we're going to put the tree, them, you know. I'm go check it dumpling and we are put dumpling. Jesus, you know here where some people the last time you walk in the door.
Go to the hospital. So what I do? I start to cook first. Yeah. So when I get hungry, I'm not going to hospital today. The Manchester people, they don't know how to treat workers. The one who wanted to work.
Oh gosh. People may go check your dumpling here, man. Sure. Babes, what you say?
People very smart.
Is it? My man say, go to hospital again because the last time he worked for me.
No, Manchester people not good panda.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's fucking work.
Anyways, I'm going to put on the phone now and make us see what we are doing, alright? So, remember I told you I was going to do something nice at the front. This is what I'm going to be doing today. So, this is the little part on the garden where I want to keep grass free. So, I'm going to cover up this bit, alright? I'm going to tuck it in the ground and cover this bit up. and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. Let me move the car. So this is what I'm doing. I'm using the shovel and I'm just tucking it in to the grass, like so, and just tuck it along. Tuck him, tuck him, tuck him. And this is I'm gonna tuck it all the way, go right down until I finish everything. All right, this is gonna be a lot of work. And then this now, just like pull them out like so. Pull these ones out, so we give them a little early funeral, and then just continue to kill them. All right. So we'll come back when we finish. All right. Yep. I'm just gonna tuck them right down, right down. But now it's going up now. Just like tuck it, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. Yep. Show now. And pull it over, see? It's tight. And then maybe do the same for here so as well. I'll put some pebbles on there. Yeah? So that's what I'm gonna do along here, so right on the other side. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay? Guys, it's best if you have two people that do this job, because you're gonna need one on the other side to help you pull across and make it straight and even, while you tuck in and them simultaneously tuck the other side in, because if not, it's gonna look similar to this, and it's not a problem because I'm gonna cover this up eventually. This is just to suppress the grass, so I'm not too worried about how it's laid. You get what I'm saying? Once it's tucked in and covering the grass, that's all I care about. So guys, I've done a little bit down here, and I had to go and get something to eat because I was a bit energy low. So I'm just gonna show you what I've done so far. And see, I'm gonna probably think, what the hell she doing? Let me just tuck it in. I can't take the grass no more, you get me? And then I go put stones and stuff down it and make it nice and thin. Alright, so just watch me. May not be the neatest, but it's what I've got going on right now. Right, it may not be the neatest, but it's going to work. You're gonna hear a lot of people in the comments, oh my god, what is she doing? None of your business. This is between me, the grass, and the garden. All right, so that's how it look. It must look much better than before. And then guess what, guys? I can put my containers here and plant my plants. Yeah, I can put gravels and put ornaments. I can do so much thing here. I was supposed to do it when I made that drive, but I didn't because I was tired. And now I'm going through a lot of, issues, and I'm detoxing and stuff, getting myself back together. You're gonna see more of, my little DIY work. I'm gonna get some more sand, and not sand, gravel, and throw on here so that you guys can see after 3 years how it look. But yeah, everything look good still. Like a bit of grass come through, but yeah, that's my work done. That's how it look now. So I'm getting there, slowly but surely. I'm getting there. This is what independent do-it-yourself woman look like here. I don't know if you do it. I don't know if you do it. I don't know if you lean up on the man them to make them help or no, because when you no wait for them we do it. Alright? And if me there wait, mood in this position, yeah, because it'll get done already. You get me? But true, me did a wait and it never work out, so me have to do it myself. It may not be the best, but yeah, I'm mine. I like it, and I'm my energy to it. So, highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl Nix. And I'm out. Actually, I'm done. My back gone in more. See you. Now, this is how we're looking after we've put down the weed control fabric. So, yeah, looking good, looking good. I'm gonna make sure that we get some more gravel to, strengthen the driveway. But everything's looking good, still in good shape. Proud of myself.